the managing director Darshan, the designer Alina, the technical designer Deep, the marketing and finance designer Jinnah, the research and development manager Vaibhav, and we have also one of the first customers we had who's very satisfied with the product, Darika. So our company's name is Holotech. So today we're taking the next step. We're taking the next step by making your digital content right into your world, right into your life with more reality than ever before. Welcome to the new era of technology. As the CEO of the company, I'm honored and privileged to introduce you to the future of technology, Holotech's HoloLens. This revolution is the company's augmented reality headset. It is an object like any other object ever made in the real world. The holograms are made completely of light. You can view the holograms from any distance, and you can view it in many angles. We are sure that HoloLens is going to be the next big computing platform with applications applications ranging from gaming to design to education and architecture. Your virtual reality will be transformed by blasting light at your eyes. Thank you. Now we will show you a short video.
This is the world of holograms. What will they enable us to do? New ways to visualize the work.
How do we do it with Holotech?
You go beyond the screen, where your digital world is blended with your real world. Now we can. This is the world of holograms. What will they enable us to do? New ways to visualize our work.
How do we do it with
Ways to share ideas with each other.
How can we do it?
Just looking at it in one room. More immersive ways to play. New ways to teach and learn.
So put the new track into place of the old one.
No.
And tighten here and
New ways to collaborate and explore the places we've never been.
look at this formation. Let's take a closer look.
And new ways to create the things we imagine. Because when you change the way you see the world, you can change the world you see.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now I'd like to pass on the mic to our managing director Darshan.
Good afternoon, wonderful person here. I'm Darshan and the manager of the company. HoloLens is pushing its mixed reality. Users can interact with the HoloLens by using 3D images, which is real big gesture, which merges the real and the digital world together. Now I'm going to tell you about the users. Remote instructions. Imagine if you get a step-by-step instructions by an expert for your home repair. It will be much easier for you to do the home repair for you. So we included the medium chat option in our HoloLens. Now I'm going to talk about the gaming. In a normal PC or a laptop, you have a console to play a game. But in our HoloLens, it's completely different. It is made a gesture which is going to control the game, and it will be easy for you to play the game, and it will be reality. Now it is head up GPS. In a normal phone or a tablet, we have an app called Map, which is used to navigate your destination. In our HoloLens also, there's an app called Maps, which is used to navigate your destination. Next is holographic attraction and entertainment. If you see a horror movie in a theater, it will be realistic and it will be good. But to make it more different, we also made a HoloLens to be more realistic to see the horror movies, to see movies and entertainment. Next is 3D computer aided design. HoloLens can build a 3D model of pretty much anything that you wish and in your physical space around you. Now decorating. If you are building a house or an apartment, it will be easy. If you wear this HoloLens, you can make a 3D model of your own and look at it and you can decorate your places. Thank you. Now I hand over the mic to Abhinav, technical product designer.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm the product designer of the Holotex HoloLens. First, it has a tape and a nose grip, and it also has inbuilt features like CPU, sensors, lenses, camera, HPU, to digital projectors, and HoloLens has 2 displays. As you see, HoloLens is transparent. By this, we can get to know the users can see the real world behind the virtual object, and also the sensors can examine the environment around you, and you also have a control processing unit which the user can use beyond the screen. You also get a case in the HoloLens where it consists of a clicker. It is controlled by hand, and it allows you to click, drop, drag, and you also get a solar powered panels where you can charge your HoloLens, and you also get a special kind of cloth where you can clean your lens of the HoloLens, and you also get micro USB 2.0 cables. By this we can assure that this is the best and the good quality design. Now I hand over mic to Dee, who is the technical designer of HoloLens.
Good afternoon everyone present here. I'm Dee, the technical designer of the HoloLens. Holotex HoloLens brings high-definition holograms into our world, where they integrate with the physical spaces, and things. So what is the HoloLens? HoloLens is basically a see-through display which we wear. Holograms are basically made using light. These goggles will track our movements and watch our gaze and transform what we see into holographic images by blasting light into our eyes, which doesn't hurt at all. We can interact with the holographic images using hand gestures, and we have also fitted sensors into our HoloLens, which track your movement in a room and then use this information to make us interact with the HoloLens. Now we also integrated with Autodesk Maya, which is a 3D animating software where you can create 3D models in your computer and then view them through your HoloLens in the real life-sized image. Now coming to the software part, HoloLens uses Windows Holographic or Windows 10 as its operating system. It puts its floating windows into the real world. We have also made some applications exclusively for our HoloLens. These applications are basically made using software or programming languages like HTML, CSS, XML, .NET, Java, C++, etc. But the main and key important computer languages or softwares which are used to make these applications are Unity, C#, and ASP.NET. Some of our applications include Roboraid, mConquer, and Fragments, which are gaming applications, and we have also created an application called Holo Studio, which allows users to create various models of various 3D models. Now the internal structure, we have an Intel 32-bit core microprocessor, which is 1 GHz, and a memory of 3 GB RAM, and a storage space of 64 GB flash memory. We also have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. And finally, with a world full of holograms, we will take a step forward in this technology and promise you to keep creating marvelous projects like this. Thank you. Now I hand over the mic to Ms. Jilna, who is the Financial Marketing Manager.